Let's go.
A supercar needs a super driver.
Crazy.
What a car.
The neighbors complained about loud noises from the company over the weekend. The Schmiedmann better checks what has been going on. Looks like the boss has been working all weekend again. He just can't help it. But what is that? The boss has been trying to drift like the Schmiedmann. Busted. You better practice some more if you want to keep up with the Schmiedmann.
Baby, I am your BMW in many parts Sega. Got every part on the shelves, no need to go anywhere else. When I see you BMW guys been ripped off, I solved the problem with great prices while my DJ revolves it. Yeah, BMW, and many, baby. Are you desperately in need for a rare part? Then be smart and call for the Schmiedmann. He got the part you need.